Friends, I am Team PA. This is my fifth YouTube video on my channel. So today I am going to make a stationery organizer box. For making stationery organizer box, you need glue gun or you can use fevicol also, coloring paper, scale, scissor, eraser and one pencil. And you also need cardboard box. As it is waste out of waste, so I had covered a waste box with chart paper, and then you need 4 pieces of cardboard like this. So I have cut it the pieces as per my size box. So you can take as your box size. So now we will cover it. So we will cover it with the different color papers. So now we will cover it. Let it dry. So it is dried, and now we'll cut the extra part. Now we will do cover all this. So here I have covered it with coloring paper. Now we will stick this in the box. So now we will stick it like this using glue gun. So this is cardboard, so we will stick it with glue gun. And it is ready.